Yeah, man. From Miami to Jamaica vibes. This one of Kenisha and Karl. Love and jerk chicken. You know? Kenisha, they are in Miami town. Sun on the beach and the music loud. But deep in her heart, she feel the same. She miss Jamaica and the island flame. She say me love Karl, him and me heart from the very first day. Him never depart. But one more thing make me smile so wide. Jerk chicken spice with the island pride. Oh, Kenisha, tell me where you need it. Love by your side and the food you're craving deep. Karl, hold you close when the night come down. But jerk chicken bring Jamaica back around. She love Karl, yeah, she love Karl. Him a the one she want through it all. She love jerk chicken, hot and nice, with the flavor, the fire, the island spice. If she could have two things tonight, Karl in her arms and jerk chicken right. From Miami breeze to Jamaica sea, that would be paradise for she. Karl, Kenisha on the phone at night. Baby girl, you know everything alright. One day soon we go back again. Walk on the beach and feel the rain. She laugh and say, Karl, you know me true, but me dreaming about that chicken too. The smoky flavor, the pepper and thyme, Jamaican taste, stay upon my mind. No matter where the road may go, love and memories always show. Miami lights cannot erase the island rhythm and the island taste. Kenisha dance when the reggae play, thinking about Karl every single day. And when the drums start rolling slow, she feel Jamaica in her soul. She love Karl, yeah, she love Karl. Him a the king inside her heart. She love jerk chicken, yeah she do. That Jamaican flavor pull her through. Give her Karl and give her spice. Give her love and paradise. Miami home, but Jamaica Karl. She want the love, she want it all. Yeah, man. Kenisha and Karl. Love, reggae, and jerk chicken. One heart, two cravings. Bless up.